Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Pramod and this is another CompTIA Network Plus practice test series, and this part is also very helpful to pass the CompTIA Network Plus exam. So let's go to the questions, and the question is: a company commissioned a site survey to check wireless network coverage. The technician noticed undesirable levels of RSSI in different areas of the office. So which of the following levels did the technician most likely notice? Option A is minus 82 dBm, option B minus 61 dBm, option C 42 dBm, option D 63 dBm. And the correct answer for this question is option A minus 82 dBm. So let's check the explanation. So the technician most likely noticed a minus 82 dBm as an undesirable level of RSSI because the 82 dBm minus 82 dBm is considered a relatively weak signal and could lead to connectivity issues. So that's why the correct answer is A minus 82 dBm. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is: a network administrator will be running Ethernet cables to raise ceiling. So which of the following types of Ethernet cables is the safest solution? Option A shielded, option B plenum, option C unshielded, option D riser. And the correct answer for this question is option B plenum. So let's check the explanation. The safest solution for running Ethernet cables through raised ceiling is plenum because the plenum cables are designed specifically for spaces where air circulates like raised ceilings and have fire resistant insulation that meets safety standards in case of a fire. That's why the correct answer is B plenum. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is: outside traffic from local subnet is using an internal web server. A technician must apply best practices to ensure outside users can only access the web server and not any other internal resources. So which of the following should the technician do to best addresses the issue? Option A: move the web server to a perimeter network. Option B: connect the web server to the WAN. Option C: connect the server directly to a second port on the cable modem. Option D: block incoming port 80 and port 443 traffic to the server. And the correct answer for this question is option A: move the web server to a perimeter network. So let's check the explanation. The best option to ensure outside users can only access the web server and not any other internal resources is to A: move the web server to a perimeter network. And the explanation is: perimeter network DMZ, a separate network segment that sits between the public internet and the internal private network, allowing control access to the external services like web servers while isolating them from sensitive internal data. So that's why the correct answer is A: move the web server to a perimeter network. So let's move to the next question. Next question is: a technician is working on a solution to isolate traffic between specific types of devices, servers, and users on the internal firewall. So which of the following traffic flows should be isolated? Option A east-west, option B access edge, option C core distribution, option D north-south. And the correct answer for this question is option A east-west. So let's check the explanation. So east-west traffic refers to the data flows between devices within the same network, like server-to-server communication or virtual machine-to-virtual machine communication. Isolating this traffic can help prevent unauthorized access and improve security within the internal network by controlling which servers can talk to each other. So that's why the correct answer is A east-west. So let's move to the next question. Next question is: a network engineer performed a detailed network analysis. The engineer has decided to update the STP port cost in order to optimize the network. So which of the following processes should the engineer use to gain approval for the network optimization? Option A business continuity, option B disaster recovery, option C incident response, option D change management. And the correct answer for this question is option D change management. So explanation is: the change management is the best option because it involves a structured process for introducing new changes, including communication, stakeholder engagement, and impact assessment. This process ensures that the change is implemented effectively and with minimal disruption to the network. So that's why the correct answer is D, change management. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a network technician plug a workstation into a network device. When the technician turned on the workstation, it was not connected at full duplex. So which of the following devices was the workstation connected to? Option A, media converter. Option B, hub. Option C, bridge. Option D, layer 3 switch. And the correct answer for this question is option B, hub. So let's check the explanations. So hub, these devices operate at hub duplex, meaning they can only send or receive data at one time, not simultaneously. Since the workstation is not connecting at a full duplex, it's likely connected to a hub. That's why the correct answer for this question is B, hub. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, a user is trying to map a network file share to a local drive and needs to open a firewall port for this traffic. So which of the following ports needs to be opened to accomplish this task? Option A is 389, option B is a 445, option C is a 514, option D is a 636. And the correct answer for this question is option B, 445. So let's check the explanation. So port 445, this port is associated with server message block SMB protocol, which is commonly used for file sharing on Windows networks. When mapping a network file share to a local drive, the computer needs to communicate with the network share using SMB. Hence the requirement to open port 445 on the firewall. That's why the correct answer is B, 445. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, which of the following OSI layers in the ICMP are put off? Option A, application. Option B, session. Option C, network. Option D, transport. And the correct answer for this question is option C, network. So let's check the explanation. So ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is a part of network layer in the OSI model. And the ICP is a network layer protocol. It's designed to handle error messages and other network related information, like informing a device that a packet could not be delivered. Or the network layer in the OSI model is responsible for routing packets across networks using protocols like IP, Internet Protocol, and ICMP. So that's why the correct answer is C, network. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, the technician is working to deploy a new subnet to support 500 hosts. The technician needs to limit the number of unused IP addresses. So which of the following subnets should the technician choose? Option A, 255.255.224.0. Option B, 255.255.248.0. Option C, 255.255.252.0. Option D, 255.255.254.0. And the correct answer for this question is option B, 255.255.248.0. So let's check the explanation. So option B, 255.255.248.0. So this subnet provides 510 usable hosts, which is sufficient for 500 hosts and allows for small margin of feature growth. So that's why the correct answer is B. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a network engineer is installing APS for Soho where every staff member uses a cordless phone. Which of the following standards would work best to reduce interference? Option A, 802.11a. Option B, 802.11b. Option C, 802.11g. Option D, 802.1x. And the correct answer for this question is option A, 802.11a. So let's check the explanation. The best standard to reduce interference from cordless phones in the Soho environment is a 802.11a because it operates in the 5 GHz band, which is less crowded than the 2.4 GHz band used by the most cordless phones. Option B, C, and D all operate in the 2.4 GHz band and are therefore more prone to interference. And 802.11a uses the 5 GHz band, offering less congestion. and interference from other devices like cordless phones operating in the 2.4 gigahertz band. So I hope you are enjoying this video and this part has been completed. So study hard, good luck and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel to see more video like this. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.